You are probably searching for a betting market that can boost your profits. In this video, I'll review a hidden market that most bettors ignore, but it could be a secret weapon to your winning more. So I'll be focusing on the Italian Serie A, and I'll be making an example using the following teams, which are Lazio vs Lecce. So checking the last 5 previous matches, you can see that on January 4th, 2023, Lecce did win the match 2-1. So be focusing on this type of market, which is the 10 minutes market, which goes like this team to win or draw, or that team to win from 1 minute to 10 minutes. So it simply just means like, is there any team of which is gonna score within 10 minutes, or there's no team that's gonna score? So here we're going for the low team's going to score, which is the draw, because when team will be scoring to obviously be 0-0. So we'll be checking the one of January 4th, because you can see that one Guia scored, but we are not sure if the Guia scored within 10 minutes. So we're gonna check and go into the playing there. So checking the goals here, you can see that the first goal was scored in 14 minutes. So it does not score in 10 minutes, so it's still a win. Going to May 12, 2023, you can see that 2 goals were scored the first half and another 2 goals were scored the second half. So checking our market, you can see that our market did work, because the first goal was in the 34 minutes was scored after the 10 minutes. So checking the second match on August 20, 2023, you can see that only 1 goal was scored the first half. So checking if the goal was scored within the 10 minutes, can see that the goal was not scored in the 10 minutes. So our market did work here. Going to January 14, 2024, we can see that no goal was scored the first half, so we obviously won using this market. Then going to December 21, 2024, we can see that only 1 goal was scored the first half. So checking if our goal was scored within 10 minutes, you can see that the first goal was scored on the extra time of halftime. So we could still win our bet, as we are analyzing and checking if the goals were scored within 10 minutes. No goal was scored, so which means our market did work 5 times, and it does work. As we said, it's a secret weapon. So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.